Hello, my name is Annuradha Toshniwal and it is my great pleasure to be your host today to take you into the world of culinary delights. Today we have with us nice dish to serve with any grilled salad or grilled vegetables. It is called the Paneer Puffs, which can be served as your imagination takes you. So let me take you to the ingredients. 1 cup of paneer which has been grated, 1 green chilli chopped fine, a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, a teaspoon of oregano, salt to taste, eggplant slices, some onion slices, some zucchini thick strips and some corn. Sweet and chili Thai sauce. We have these tar tins which we have greased, and these have to be steamed. So we have with us a steaming vessel which is a traditional dhokla or idli one and which is an electric one. So you can use either. So let's get started. We'll first take the paneer which has been grated. We'll add the green chilli, oregano and the red chilli flakes. To this we are going to add a little bit of salt and we'll mix it well to make it into a nice soft pliable dough. So that's ready. Now we will take our tart tin. You can make it any size that you want, and we're going to fill it with this paneer mixture. In the meanwhile, keep the steaming vessel ready and put these in to steam. In about 10-15 minutes they will be ready and they'll be firm and spongy to the touch. So I'm going to put them for steaming now. So our paneer puffs today we are going to serve with grilled vegetables. Now that's your choice of what vegetables you want. Add a little butter or you can use oil onto the pan. Add our vegetables and wait for them to soften and grill a bit. I'm going to add some corn. So our vegetables are nicely grilled. Now to this I'm going to add a little seasoning of salt and some pepper, black pepper. Now ideally I would like a little red color in this, so I'm going to add a little sauce. It's the sweet and chili Thai sauce. Just a little bit of color and of course the taste. Our puffs which are steamed and ready, the best way to know if they're ready or not is to put a knife in and it comes out clean. Also the sides shrink a bit. So let it cool for 2 minutes and then gently overturn and remove from your tartan and gently place it over the salad. So our paneer puffs with the grilled salad is ready. I hope you enjoyed seeing this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. We're signing off now at Rajshri Food. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food and see you next time. Bye bye.